Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. What if your ordinary garden bench could become the most romantic spot on earth tonight? We are taking 11 upcycled ideas to transform your outdoor seating into a glowing Valentine sanctuary. Using simple materials and a touch of red and white magic, let's create a setting that makes time stand still. Think of those quiet, still evenings, where memories are made in the softest light. Here at KiraStyle Garden, we believe old glass holds stories. These repurposed mason jars, brushed in pure white and cinched with a bold red ribbon, turn simple waste into a sanctuary of warmth. As you nestle the tiny LED lights inside, the Nook starts to breathe. A gentle, flickering heartbeat that invites you to just sit, stay a while, and let love bloom. There is something so deeply romantic about light dancing through lace. By wrapping your old garden pots in reclaimed white fabric, you create a boutique elegance that feels both vintage and timeless. When the sun dips low and the candles begin to glow from within, those intricate patterns spill across the grass like a whispered secret. It is high-end beauty, born from the most humble materials, making your garden corner feel truly, remarkably special. Listen to the playful spirit of the night. These bottle caps, once discarded, are now a vibrant garland of red and white, strung together like a whimsical melody. They catch the light in such a unique, dancing way, draping over your garden gate with a charm that is both rustic and spirited. It is proof that even the smallest pieces can create a grand, romantic gesture when they are woven together with a little bit of heart. Imagine the garden catching the moonlight and throwing it back in 1,000 tiny sparkles. By turning old CDs into a mosaic of red and white, you are creating a surface that literally sings with light. Every movement of the evening breeze makes these planters shimmer and shine, adding a touch of magic to the very edges of your flower beds. It is a serenade of reflections, turning your favorite nook into a dazzling starlit stage. Sometimes the most beautiful things are found right beneath our feet. These fallen branches, gathered and shaped into a glowing sculpture, feel as though they grew directly out of a dream. Wrapped in a constellation of red and white lights, the wood grain comes alive, whispering stories of the earth into the cool night air. It is a captivating focal point that feels organic, alive, and utterly enchanting. A true masterpiece of the natural world. The flicker of a real flame has a way of grounding the soul. These upcycled wine bottles, decorated in passionate reds and whites, stand like silent sentinels around your garden. As the torch wicks catch, they cast a classic amber glow that softens every edge and warms every heart. It is an ancient kind of beauty, steady and sure, providing a flickering ambience that makes the rest of the world just fade away into the shadows. The breeze carries more than just the scent of flowers. It carries music. These hand-painted spoons and forks, swaying gently in the air, create a soft metallic song that hums through the garden. Painted in shades of love and adorned with glowing beads, they turn a simple gust of wind into a romantic symphony. It is a delicate, unexpected touch. A quiver of sound that reminds us that beauty is found in the most ordinary places. There is an ethereal, dreamlike quality to light filtered through paper. These hand-dyed coffee filter roses look so soft, so fragile, yet they glow with an incredible inner strength. Draped above your seating area, they form a canopy of blushing blooms that feel like they belong in a fairy tale. It is a soft, diffused light that kisses everything it touches, creating a space where the air feels lighter and the night feels absolutely endless. Who knew that simple kitchen tools could hold so much magic? Mounted against the garden wall, these whisks and ladles become extraordinary vessels for light. They cast long, artistic shadows that play across the wood, creating a symphony of lines and glows that surprise the eye. It is a modern, clever take on garden decor. A reminder that creativity has no limits when you are building a space meant for shared smiles and starlit conversations. In a world that moves so fast, there is something beautiful about giving old technology a brand new soul. These vintage radio casings, now overflowing with red and white flowers, bridge the gap between the past and the present. With tiny LEDs glowing from the dials, they become a modern mystery tucked away in the greenery. It is unexpected. It is bold. And it adds a sophisticated glowing pulse to the heart of your garden. Every great romance is a journey. And every journey deserves a beautiful path. These hand-painted stones, glowing with a soft, guided light, lead the way into your private sanctuary. The red and white borders ground the garden, creating a sense of order and peace amidst the wild growth. Walking this path feels like stepping into a different world. A world where every footfall is illuminated by a soft, passionate glow that points toward home. From the soft flicker of wine bottle torches to the delicate glow of lace-wrapped pots, we have turned a simple garden bench into a breathtaking romantic escape. It just goes to show that with a little creativity and some recycled finds, love can truly shine anywhere. If you enjoyed this transformation, please like this video, subscribe to KiraStyle Garden, and comment below with your favorite DIY idea.